animating introductions with Keynote using Magic Move. This is the level 2 animated intro demo. So over here, I already inserted and grouped my photo with my frame, like the first video, and I already had the text boxes inserted. So it doesn't really matter which text box is above, because later on it will just overlap. So that's not really the concern. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to activate my animate and go into adding magic move in. All right, I'm just going to leave the duration here. You may want to increase the time depending on how slow you want the effect to be. All right, so like with the first video, we will always edit the final video because that's what our audience is going to see. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a shape, and this shape will be actually forming the main background. So currently background, I have it at white. I did not really do anything to it. And now for this one here, I'm going to opt for a very light orange color. So I'm going to go into the HSB slider and just going to choose a very light tone and just drop it in. So depending on your font or depending on what color scheme you're going for, you may want to lower down so that the colors don't clash. And when this is done, I'm going to send to the back, and this is roughly what my audience is going to see. So this will be the final thing. All right, so over here, I'm going to now duplicate this since I already have it here, and I'm going to change this to white color. So the reason I'm going to do this is because later on this is going to be part of my effect. I'm going to just reduce the size a little bit. I'm going to bring this out of the frame. Right, so once I have this, I'm ready for the next step, which is to actually duplicate my slide and take note that you need to click on the first slide. So this is the part where you now start to do your editing. If you do make a mistake on do editing on the second slide, you can just drag it over. It's not a problem. So over here right now, I'm going to start to shrink down the photo frame size. I'm going to put it to the middle. Okay, I'm going to move my text boxes out of the frame. So take note of where you put the text boxes when you move it out of the frame, because it's going to affect everything. And now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to bring it all the way out of the frame. And remember just now I had this text box here, right? I'm just going to put it over here, just cover it up. So right now when my audience look at my screen, all they see is white. And later on, everything's going to start coming in, and you're going to see that the picture is going to grow. So that's the effect I'm trying to go for. So even if I cover all the way here, doesn't really matter. All right. So when I'm done, just press play, and let's take a look. And this is the simple animated intro that I'm going for. All right. So let's watch it one more time. So you can see the photo goes up. You can see that the white box goes out, and the beige color background comes in, and the text boxes also come in as well. So this is the simple level 2 intro that I am trying to go for. All right, enjoy.